2027 Subaru Ascent is coming, and it's bringing a massive overhaul. If you're about to spend over $40,000 on the current model, you need to hear this first, because what's arriving next year changes the entire equation. Most buyers assume a brand new SUV on the lot is always the right call, but the 2026 Ascent is the rare case where waiting just a couple of months gets you a fundamentally better vehicle at nearly the same price. Stay with us as we break down 6 reasons why waiting for the 2027 Subaru Ascent is a genius move. Number 6. New exterior design. The current Ascent has been wearing the same sheet metal since 2019. 7 years later, the design hasn't aged particularly well. It's functional, no question, but it lacks the visual identity that rivals like the Kia Telluride and Honda Pilot have mastered during that same stretch. Looking at it next to the competition, the Ascent looks like it missed a few meetings. Think about pulling up to school pickup or a family gathering in a vehicle that looks genuinely fresh and purposeful. That's exactly where the 2027 model is heading. Subaru's latest design language has already proven itself with the redesigned Outback and the updated Forester, and the 2027 Ascent will be drawing directly from that same playbook. A more aggressive front fascia, cleaner body lines, and a stance that reads modern rather than dated are all on the way. But the visual refresh isn't actually the most important part of this story. One of the key structural changes will be a stretched wheelbase, a detail that carries consequences far beyond curb appeal. A longer wheelbase unlocks real, usable space on the inside. And that new powertrain? It's going to need every bit of that updated platform to perform the way Subaru is planning, which is exactly what the next reason is all about. Number 5. Hybrid is on the way. Right now, buying a Subaru Ascent means accepting one powertrain, a turbocharged 2.4-liter flat-4 producing 260 horsepower and 277 pound-feet of torque. It's capable and it handles the Ascent's 5,000-pound tow rating without issue. But a single powertrain option is increasingly hard to justify in a segment where Toyota has been running a hybrid for years. Here's the reality many Ascent owners face. Filling up a full-size 3-row SUV every week adds up fast. Over 5 years of ownership, that fuel cost becomes one of the most significant expenses of the vehicle. That's the problem the 2027 Ascent is going to start solving. Subaru has already introduced a new hybrid system in the Forester Hybrid, built around a 2.5-liter engine. For the Ascent, a heavier 3-row machine. The expectation is that Subaru will tune the system further, pushing both power and torque beyond what the Forester requires. Critically, the new hybrid system will not compromise Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive. That's been a consistent priority across every electrified model the brand has launched. The gas-only flat-4 isn't going anywhere either. A mild power bump is coming for that version as well. And with a longer platform underneath, all that extra interior space it creates is exactly where the next reason picks up. Number 4. More passenger and cargo space. The current Ascent's 3rd row has a reputation, and it isn't a good one. For younger passengers, it works. For adults on anything longer than a short drive, it's a place nobody volunteers for. The 2027 model is going to address this directly, starting with that extended wheelbase. Anyone who has taken a long family road trip knows the exact moment the 3rd row becomes a problem. Someone shifts, someone complains, someone asks how much longer. That discomfort traces back directly to tight legroom, and it's something the 2027 Ascent is being built to fix. The 3rd row is expected to see a noticeable improvement, the kind of difference that transforms a penalty seat into one adults can actually tolerate on a long drive. Cargo space is getting a meaningful upgrade as well. The area behind the 3rd row on the current Ascent is tight by any standard, and with more total length in the new architecture, the 2027 version should offer a far more practical setup for luggage and gear. More space is great, but none of it matters much if the interior surrounding those seats still feels like a 7-year-old design. That's exactly the problem Subaru is fixing next. Number 3. New cabin design. The current Ascent's cabin is well assembled, but it was designed for 2019 priorities. The infotainment interface, while usable, lacks the responsiveness and visual clarity that newer rivals deliver as standard. The Kia Telluride, Honda Pilot, and even the updated Outback have all raised the bar indoors, leaving the Ascent's interior looking like the one part of the vehicle that hasn't kept up. There's nothing more frustrating than sitting in a $50,000 SUV and wrestling with a sluggish touchscreen just to change the temperature. That daily friction is exactly what the 2027 redesign is being built to eliminate. A new digital instrument cluster is arriving, a configurable display putting the most relevant information front and center, whether that's navigation, efficiency readouts, or trip details. The infotainment upgrade is equally significant. The 2027 Ascent is expected to receive the same touchscreen system debuting in the newly redesigned Outback. Larger, sharper, and faster, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto standard across the lineup. Upper trims are likely to bring Napa leather upholstery and a smartphone-based digital key system. This isn't going to be just a prettier interior. It's going to be a genuinely better one. But a beautiful cabin only tells part of the story, because none of it means much if the vehicle isn't keeping your family safe. And that's where the next reason might be the most important one yet. Number 2. New safety tech. The Ascent already earns solid safety marks. Subaru's EyeSight system covers the essentials: adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. But EyeSight in its current form has known limitations, particularly at intersections and in low-light conditions where it struggles to perform at the level family buyers expect. Most Ascent owners aren't driving empty highways. They're navigating busy intersections, school zones, and crowded parking lots, exactly the environments where the current system is least reliable. The 2027 Ascent is set to debut the next generation of EyeSight with wider angle cameras and updated radar sensors, improving detection of pedestrians and cyclists in the real-world situations that catch today's hardware off guard. The driver focus system is also getting a significant refinement: improved facial recognition for drowsiness and distraction monitoring, plus the ability to recognize individual drivers and automatically load personalized settings. For a vehicle carrying the most important people in someone's life, this isn't a checkbox feature. It's a reason to skip the current and wait for the version that gets it right. All of this would normally arrive with a price tag that reflects the scale of the upgrade, but what Subaru is planning on pricing might be the most surprising part of this entire story. Number 1. Still an excellent value. Here's the detail that pulls everything together. None of these upgrades are expected to arrive with a dramatic price hike. The current Ascent starts at around $42,500 and reaches $53,500 at the top. That's already one of the more competitive price points in the segment. Every significant rival has moved north lately. The Telluride, the Pilot, the Grand Highlander, all of them have gotten more expensive, and the Ascent's value proposition has quietly become one of its strongest arguments. Spending more than planned on a family SUV, only to watch a better version arrive 12 months later at nearly the same price, is a situation every careful buyer wants to avoid. That's the trap the 2026 Ascent currently represents. A redesign of this scope would typically justify a steep premium at any other brand, but current projections point to a modest increase, keeping the 2027 well within reach for buyers who refuse to overpay. If this vehicle delivers more space, electrified options, a modern cabin, and safety tech that works the way it should, it won't just be a strong value in the segment. It could become the standard everyone else is chasing. The 2027 Subaru Ascent is arriving with a fresh exterior, built around Subaru's latest design language, a stretched wheelbase that finally gives the third row the space it deserves, a long-awaited hybrid powertrain that won't touch the symmetrical all-wheel drive, a completely overhauled cabin with modern tech, next-generation EyeSight safety hardware that addresses the system's real-world weak spots. And all of it is coming without the kind of price increase that would make you think twice. The current model is a known quantity. It's reliable, it's proven, and it'll get the job done. But the 2027 Ascent isn't just an update, it's the version this vehicle was always supposed to be. Still, the Ascent isn't the only one that's getting massive updates for the next year. Rivals are shaping up as well, and one of the first model that comes to mind is the 2027 Kia Telluride you can check out in our next video. Already an excellent value, it's getting a full redesign that includes new look, more luxurious cabin, and 2 brand new powertrains, one of which is a capable hybrid.